Good morning. Good morning. हाँ गणाधिपति. Good morning to all. Good morning to all. Very less people are joined. How many are joined? 6 or 7? Akansha put a message in the group so that they can join immediately. Yeah. Yeah, I'm going to continue with good morning. Good morning, Kaushik. Continue with the word problems. Problem number 9, NCERT textbook. Two water taps can fill a tank in 9 3 by hours. The tap of larger diameter takes 10 hours less than the smaller one to fill the tank separately. Find the time in which each tap can separately fill the tank. This is what the problem. Very, very important problem. Important model. Very, very important model. Two water taps can fill the tank together can fill the tank in 9 3 by 8 hours. Okay. Now, both the taps of they are having different diameters. Their mouths they are having different diameters. So bigger one will take 10 hours less than the smaller one. Means the tap which is having smaller diameter to fill the tank separately. We need to find out the time taken by each tap to fill the tank. That is what the question is. So here what we will do, both taps can fill the tank together in 9 3 by 8 hours. Means if both the taps are running together, they can fill the tank in 9 3 by 8 hours together. If both are running together. Okay. Now let the tap with big diameter takes X hours time, or larger diameter you can take it as. Let the time taken the tap with big diameter to fill the tank X hours. In X hours. Okay, then the time taken by the tap with small diameter is expressed 10 hours according to the given data. Let the time taken by the tap which is having big diameter is x hours, then the time taken by the tap which is having small diameter is x plus 10 hours. Okay, children? Now, so in 1 hour, the tap which is having larger diameter, it can fill 1 by x of the tank. అంతే కదా, మీకు ఒక ఎగ్జాంపుల్ చెప్తాను సార్. నాకు శాలిని ఒక 1 వీక్ స్కూల్కి రాలా. సో షీ ఈజ్ హ్యావింగ్ పెండింగ్ నోట్స్, social notes, let it be social notes, or math notes, let it be math notes. She is absent for 1 week, so she is having a pending mathematics notes. So 1 week notes she has to complete. Okay, so after 1 week she came to school and she took Akanksha's book so that she can complete her classwork. Okay, she took 1 day. She took 1 day Akanksha's notes. She is pending with 7 days notes. She took 1 day Akanksha's notes. She took it home, completed that 1 day's work, and returned days. 1 day work is complete. Because she took only 1 day, because she can't took Akanksha's book 7 days, na? She took her book for 1 day and completed 1 day work and give it her back. Okay, so how much of work is completed? Total work pending is for 7 days. In that 1 day work is completed. So 1/7 of work is completed. That is what you have to understand. And second day she took Manoj's book and she completed second day's work and returned him his book back on the next day. So one more 1/7 is complete. That means 1 day Akanksha's notes, the other day Manoj notes, together she complete 2/7 of the work. This is what you have to understand. In the same way, the time taken by the tap which is having larger diameter, it fills the tank in x hours. So if we run only the tap which is having larger diameter for 1 hour, how much work is completed? 1/x of the work is completed. That is what you have to understand. మళ్ళీ చెప్తున్నాను. ఇప్పుడు మనం ఏం చేసాం? ట్యాంక్ ని ఫిల్ చేస్తున్నాం. దేంతో? the tap which is having larger diameter. దాంతో ఫిల్ చేస్తున్నాం. It takes x hours to fill the tank. It takes x hours to fill the tank. Okay? But మనం ఏం చేసాం? దాన్ని 1 hour రన్ చేసాం. x hours రన్ చేయకుండా 1 hours రన్ చేసాం. అంటే ఎంత వర్క్ కంప్లీట్ అయినట్టు? 1/x of the work completed. అలాగే if the tap is having smaller diameter also runs 1 hour, అప్పుడు ఎంత వర్క్ కంప్లీట్ అవుతుంది? 1/x plus 10 hours. If both are running together for 1 hour, then out of total work 1 hour work is complete. This is what you have to understand. Let me మళ్ళీ ఒక రకంగా చెప్తా. I try to explain it in a different way. See, the tap which is having larger diameter can fill the tank in x hours. The tap which is having larger diameter can fill the tank in x hours. Then in 1 hour it can complete 1 by x of the work. In 1 hour it can complete 1 by x of the work. Now, the time taken by the tap which is having smaller diameter can fill the tank in x plus 10 hours. Then in 1 hour it can complete 1 by x plus 10th of the work. Okay na? In 1 hour, so now both are running together na? They are running together. So first tap 1 hour this much of work is completed. Second tap in 1 hour this much of work is completed. So together they are running 1 hour, then 1 hour out of the total work is complete. That is what you have to understand. Okay na? Now simplify this. Take LCM. X into x plus 10. So here x plus 10 plus x is equal to 1 by 75 by 8. It becomes 8 by 75. Now 2x plus 10 by x square plus 10x is equal to 8 by 75. Do cross multiplication and you will get a quadratic equation and apply quadratic formula to find out x values. ఇది జాగ్రత్తగా మీరు అర్థం చేసుకోవాలి. I'll try to give one more example on this. ఒక పెద్ద వాల్ కన్స్ట్రక్షన్ చేయాలి. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఒక పెద్ద వాల్ కన్స్ట్రక్షన్ చేయాలి అంటే టాపీ మేస్త్రి కావాలి కదా. ఓ ఓనర్ ఏం చేశారంటే ఒక టాపీ మేస్త్రిని పిలిపిస్తే ఏమయ్యా ఒక 100 meters వాల్ కన్స్ట్రక్షన్ చేయాలి. వీ నీడ్ టు కన్స్ట్రక్ట్ 100 meters వాల్. ఇంత కన్స్ట్రక్షన్ చేయాలి, మరి ఎన్ని రోజులు పడుతుంది అని అడిగారు. అయ్యా నేను ఒక్కడిని చేస్తే 10 days పడుతుంది అని. నేను ఒక్కడిని చేస్తే 10 days పడుతుంది అని చెప్పాను. ఓకేనా? ఓకే. దెన్ ద ఓనర్ యాక్సెప్ట్ ఇట్. సరే నువ్వు ఒక్కడే వచ్చి చేసేసేయి అని చెప్పారు. సరే ఆ టాపీ మేస్త్రి వచ్చాడు, ఒకరోజు పని చేశాడు, వెళ్ళిపోయాడు. పొద్దు నుంచి సాయంత్రం దాకా పని చేశాడు, వెళ్ళిపోయాడు. ఇప్పుడు చెప్పండి ఎంత వర్క్ కంప్లీట్ అయిపోయింది? How much work is completed? No answers? Children, no answers from your side? He said to the house owner, if he alone can do the work he can complete the construction of wall in 10 days. Then the owner accepted it and he gave permission to construct the wall. So this man, he came for 1 day in the morning, he completed the 1 day's work, he completed that day's work till evening and he go back. So 1 day work is completed. Now what percent, how much of work is completed? If I ask you that question, what is your answer? Anyone is there in the class or not? No one? So did you understand, Sangi? How many are there in the class? 12 people are there, no one is responding. How much of work is completed? See, construction, wall construction For constructing a wall which is 100 meters long, the house owner deputed a person. He said that he can complete the wall in 10 days. So the house owner accepted it and he gave a permission to construct the wall. And this fellow, he went and did 1 day's work. Now my question is, how much of work is completed? What is the total number of days? 1/10 of the work is completed. That is right. 1 day out of 10 days. 1/10 of the work is completed. Suppose this fellow did work for 7 days and he stopped coming. How much of work is completed? This fellow went for 7 days. Consecutive means in a row he went for 7 days. He did 7 days work. And next he stopped going because of his health issues. So how much of work is completed and how much of work is pending? 7/10 of work is completed and how much of work is pending? 3/10 of work is pending. In the same way, here the tap which is having larger diameter, it can fill the tank in 10 hours alone. The tap which is having larger diameter, it alone fill the tank in 10 hours. So in 1 hour how much work is completed? 1/x in 1 hour. In the same way, the tap which is having smaller diameter, it take x plus 10 hours to fill the tank. So in 1 hour it can complete 1/x plus 10th of the work in 1 hour. So since they are running together, 1/x plus 1/x plus 10, then 1 hour out of total work is completed. Is that right? 1 hour out of total work. Total work can be completed 93/8 hours. So 1 out of 93/8 hours is completed. Understand, children? Now you need to do cross multiplication and simplify to get a quadratic equation. Yeah. Next problem. Next question. An express train take 1 hour less than a passenger train to travel 132 kilometers from Mysore, between Mysore and Bangalore. Okay. If the average speed of express train is 11 kilometers per hour more than the passenger train, find the average speed of two trains. See here, there are two trains, express train, passenger train. Express train, passenger train. Okay. Distance 132 kilometers. And here also distance 132 kilometers. Here speed of the train x kilometers, let it be here, speed is x kilometers per hour. Then here the speed is x plus 11 kilometers per hour. ఎందుకని ప్యాసింజర్ ట్రైన్ స్పీడ్ తక్కువ ఉంటుంది, ఎక్స్ప్రెస్ ట్రైన్ స్పీడ్ ఎక్కువ ఉంటుంది కాబట్టి the speed of passenger train is x kilometers per hour and the speed of express train is x plus 11 kilometers per hour. Okay. Now, time is distance by speed. So distance 132, speed x plus 11. So 132 by x plus 11. And here also time, distance by speed. Now, According to the problem, which train will take more time? According to the problem, which train will take more time, Nana? Passenger train or express train? Passenger train will take more time. How much time it will take more? How much time it will take more? Passenger train only. How much time it will take more than express train? Passenger train will take more time than express train. By how much? 11 hours. Sarigga chaduko question. Read it properly. What is 11 over there? What is 11 over there? Read the question properly. An express train take 1 hour less than. Express train take 1 hour less than a passenger train to travel 132 kilometers between Mysore and Bangalore. If the average speed of express train is if the average speed of express train is 11 kilometers per hour more than the passenger train, that is what 11 hours speed. So 1 hour, right? So 132 by x minus 132 by x plus 11 is equal to 1. Means the difference of times. Passenger train will take more time, na? So we need to write that one first. Time taken by the passenger train 132 by x. Time taken by the express train 132 by x plus 11. Okay, na? Then the difference of times 1 hour. So 132 by x minus 132 by x plus 11 is 1. Understand, children? Passenger train will take more time. So we need to write the time of passenger train in first minus time taken by the express train second. 132 minus 132 by x minus 132 by x plus 11 is equal to 1. The difference is 1, na? Time difference. Now simplify it. Take LCM. So 132 into x plus 11, x plus 1, sorry, minus 132x is equal to 1. 132x plus 132 minus 132x by x square plus x is equal to 1. 132 into 11. This is 11x. So 132x get cancelled. So x square plus 11x is equal to 132 into 11. 132 into 11. One 32x plus 132 into 11. X square plus 11x is equal to 22, 33, 35, 11, 14, 52. 14, 52. That is the quadratic equation. Okay. Distance for both the trains same, but speeds are different. Express train is x plus 11 hours per kilometer per hour, passenger train x kilometers per hour. Then time taken, distance by speed. Express train is by 132 by x plus 11 hours, passenger train 132 by x hours. Since the speed is less for passenger train, it will take more time. So the difference between the time duration, between passenger train and express train is 1 hour, na? So 132 by x minus 132 by x plus 11 is equal to 1 hour. That is what we have to write. And simplify. Okay, na? Now apply quadratic formula to find out the value of x. Last question in this exercise. Sum of the areas of two squares is 468. There are two squares. Whose side is x and y, and sum of their areas is 468 meter square. If the difference of their perimeters is 24, difference of their perimeters 4x minus 4y is 24. Sum of their areas, area of this one is x square and perimeter 4x, and area of this one is y square and perimeter is 4y. So sum of the areas is 468 and difference of perimeters is 24. Take 4 common, 4 into x minus y 24, x minus y is equal to 24 by 4 which is 6, x is equal to 6 plus y, x is equal to 6 plus y. We need to find out the values of x and y. Now substitute this value over here. Insert 6 plus y in the place of x. So what you will get? 6 plus y whole square plus y square is equal to 468. 36 12y plus y square is equal to 468. So 2y square plus 12y plus 36 minus 468 is equal to 0. Two y square plus 12y plus 36 minus 468 is equal to 0. Okay, children. So simplify this. You will get a quadratic equation. And you can find out x value and y value. Okay. So with this 4.3 is completed. Only one concept is left, that is nature of roots. That will be done in one day. Most probably tomorrow you don't have any class. Tomorrow you don't have class. Okay, and we'll meet again on Monday. No, today no evening class. I told you already, no evening class. only half an hour. That too Monday also half an hour only. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. When is our reopening day? Wednesday, Thursday. Eh? When is our reopening day? Is it on Thursday? Twenty-sixth. 26th is Thursday. Eh? Thursday. Okay. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday you have classes, half an hour classes. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Morning 10 p.m. only. Morning 10 a.m. only. Half an hour classes. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Tomorrow you don't have any class. Thursday you don't know. Thursday you don't have. Thursday, Friday you don't have. Again Saturday, Sunday 1 hour classes. As it is. Because in holidays only I am keeping half an hour classes. Okay. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday you have classes for half an hour, morning only 10 a.m. Okay. Tomorrow you don't have class. Okay. Dhanyavad. Thank you very much. Thank you.